isn't it?
Hogwarts Express, isn't it?
Time to say goodbye to you now.
I'm off to read the news on the Andrew Marr Show, which starts shortly on BBC One. But before I go, I'm going to introduce you to Louise, and that looks a much nicer picture than the one you had before.
Just for you, Justin. Quick, enjoy it just before you disappear.
Who's Justin?
Sorry, Christian.
Spelling mistake.
I
wrong
can't
names.
see you. It's
Right.
very annoying. Yes. Finishing on a little ray of sunshine. Isn't that lovely? Lowestoft this morning. There's some decent spells of sunshine actually around. It's not all doom and gloom. Despite that, we've got our 9th named storm in the offing. So enjoy the clearer skies at the moment, because it's this curl of cloud out in the Atlantic. That is Imogen, and she's heading in our direction. It's going to be affecting England and Wales primarily, bringing some extremely windy weather. So enjoy some dry weather if you've got it. There is plenty out there at the moment. There's also some rain and wind, though, isn't there? And that's across Northern Ireland and Scotland. The strongest of the winds through the central belt, actually. We could see gusts in excess of 50 miles an hour for a while through the central lowlands. Some heavy, persistent rain, snow across the mountains too. But for the north of England, down into Wales, central and southern areas, there are some showers around, but there's also, as you saw earlier on, some decent spells of sunshine as well. Now, the showers chiefly out to the west could just filter a little further inland. And as we go on through the afternoon, some of those showers will merge together for longer spells of rain by the end of the day. A finer window through Northern Ireland. Make the most of it. It won't last long, as the wet and windy weather pushing into Northern Ireland, Wales and the southwest by the end of the afternoon. Sheltered eastern areas cling on to the sunshine, highs of 7 to 10 degrees. 5 degrees, though, a cooler feel in the far north of Scotland. And unfortunately, however you look at it, with that wet weather coming in, it's not going to be a great match in terms of the weather. I'm sure it will be an amazing match. It's going to be pretty windy as well. The rain will rattle through, some of it quite intense overnight. It clears away to some squally showers. A chillier start, particularly in the far north with 2 degrees. But the talking point through central and southern areas will be the strength of the wind, all due to Imogen. So there's an amber weather warning out. Be prepared for the potential for some disruption. It could be a pretty miserable Monday morning rush hour, I'm afraid, across central and southern England in particular. We could see gusts of wind 70, 80 mile an hour or stronger across the Channel coast. It's going to be some really rough seas, squally showers rattling through from west to east. A very stormy start to Monday morning, but slightly different through Northern Ireland and Scotland. Actually decent drier weather, some sunshine coming through. Generally speaking, it will continue to feel a little on the nippy side here, 6 or 7 degrees. Temperatures fairly academic, really, I suppose, in the cloud, the wind and the rain, 9 or 10 being the overall high. It does look as though it stays pretty windy and showery on Tuesday. Best day of the week this week, my money is on Wednesday. Naga.
OK, I trust you, Louise. Many thanks.